Learn Hindi polite words fast. Please, thank you, sorry, help in.
Hindi.
Welcome to Polite Survival Hindi. Hey, you're about to learn 5 tiny Hindi words and phrases that can save your day, your dignity, and possibly your place in a snack line. Let's make politeness sound cool. Today your superhero toolkit has 5 essentials: please, thank you, sorry, I'm sorry, and help. In Hindi, that becomes
कृपया, धन्यवाद, माफ कीजिए, मुझे माफ करें,
and.
मदद.
If you remember these, you already sound kinder, smarter, and much less like a confused potato in public. Magic word number 1. Let's start with the golden key of polite requests. This one makes your sentences sound gentle instead of bossy. Please in Hindi is
कृपया.
Say it with me.
कृपया.
Imagine a shiny door that only opens when you say
कृपया.
Dramatic? Yes. Useful? Also yes. Example, please sit here.
कृपया यहाँ बैठिए.
Example, please help me.
कृपया मेरी मदद कीजिए.
Example, please speak slowly.
कृपया धीरे बोलिए.
Gratitude with style. Now let's learn the word that keeps the universe balanced. Somebody helps you, gives you tea, or returns your pen from the void of the sofa, and you say this. Thank you in Hindi is
धन्यवाद.
One more time.
धन्यवाद.
Picture a grateful parrot receiving a cracker and shouting,
धन्यवाद.
like it just won an award. Example, thank you for your help.
आपकी मदद के लिए धन्यवाद.
Tiny dialogue. A. I brought your book back. B.
धन्यवाद.
Remember this contrast.
कृपया.
Is please, but
धन्यवाद.
is thank you. Oops Hindi. Now for the phrase you need when life gets clumsy. Maybe you stepped on a foot, interrupted someone, or waved at a stranger who was absolutely not waving at you. Sorry in Hindi is
माफ कीजिए.
Say it softly.
माफ कीजिए.
This phrase can mean sorry or excuse me, depending on the situation. Very efficient. Hindi politeness does not waste fuel. Example, sorry, I am late.
माफ कीजिए, मैं देर से आया हूँ.
Example, sorry, can you repeat that?
माफ कीजिए, क्या आप उसे दोहरा सकते हैं?
Mini scene. A. You bumped into me. B.
माफ कीजिए.
A more personal apology. Sometimes you want to sound more direct and sincere. This is your full apology mode, like emotional Wi-Fi with strong signal. I'm sorry in Hindi is
मुझे माफ करें.
Say it with me.
मुझे माफ करें.
Example, I'm sorry for being late.
देर होने के लिए मुझे माफ करें.
Example, in a real moment, you drop someone's book and say,
मुझे माफ करें.
quick comparison.
माफ कीजिए.
Works like sorry or excuse me, while
मुझे माफ करें.
is more like I'm sorry. When you need backup. Now let's learn the word that matters when things go wrong, or when your suitcase, brain, or life plan stops cooperating. Help in Hindi is
मदद.
Say it clearly.
मदद.
Mnemonic time.
मदद.
Sounds a bit like my dad, and yes, many dads do arrive with mysterious tools and unwanted advice, which is still technically help. Example, I need help.
मुझे मदद चाहिए.
Example, can you help me?
क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं?
Emergency mini shout. Help.
मदद.
Tiny dialogue, big manners. Let's put the words together in a funny little scene. Listen once, then repeat like you're starring in a very polite movie. You are in a cafe. You say,
कृपया.
Can I sit here? You accidentally knock over a spoon. Of course you say,
माफ कीजिए.
The waiter helps you. You smile and say,
धन्यवाद.
Then you step on your own bag somehow, because coordination is optional, and say,
मुझे माफ करें.
Finally, your zipper gets stuck, your bag rebels, and you ask for
मदद.
quick recall challenge. Time for a fast quiz. No pressure. Okay, a little pressure, but the fun kind. How do you say please in Hindi?
कृपया.
How do you say thank you in Hindi?
धन्यवाद.
How do you say sorry in Hindi?
माफ कीजिए.
How do you say I'm sorry in Hindi?
मुझे माफ करें.
How do you say help in Hindi?
मदद.
Your friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just learned the politest emergency kit in beginner Hindi. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing.
कृपया. धन्यवाद. माफ कीजिए. मुझे माफ करें.
And
मदद.
out loud. The more you repeat them, the more natural they feel. Thanks for listening, and keep practicing. You're doing great.